The Measure tool in SpatialXL allows us to measure distances on our map. The Measure tool is situated here in the Quick Access toolbar, and we'll click on this tool to open up the Measuring toolbox. Here we can get the length in meters and area in square meters of the line segments that we draw on the map. The total length and total area will display here at the bottom as we create various line segments. To measure distances, we'll simply click on a location on our map and then click on a second location, and you'll see that in the Measuring toolbox, the distances have updated. As we click line segments, they'll add here to our length and area columns, and you'll see at the bottom we will get a total length and area calculated. When we are finished, we can double click, and this will display the total length and area here in the Measuring toolbox. We can copy this data out to Excel by simply selecting the rows and right-clicking Copy Selected to Clipboard. And we can paste these values out here. To do further measurements, we can then click Restart and measure distances again on the map.